Hello friends, I am Anshika and welcome to my channel. I have recently shifted from Delhi and I have been looking out to a lot of products that I can really buy and put it in my house. And also I was also planning to build a corner in my house where I can sit and shoot videos. I've made some purchases from various e-commerce platforms. So I have from the time actually I had actually shifted, we have been having the entire lockdown. So all these things were purchased before the lockdown actually started, and they arrived in between the lockdown and now they have or maybe before lockdown and actually now they're arrived. Some of the things are arriving even now. So I have majorly made my purchase from Amazon, Urban Ladder, Miniso and Home Center. So I'll be showing you few products that I liked, and I'll also be sharing the reviews and how the product quality is, so that if you're looking for something in budget, because I have actually kept budget in my mind while purchasing, because I didn't want to invest so much of money as of now, because some of the products that you really buy from Amazon are not even returnable. So I was very picky and choosy while making the purchase. I read all the reviews before making the purchase. Try to help you as much as I can with my honest reviews, because I have been seeing this product from last 15 days. I've been experiencing them, and some of the products which arrived before the lockdown started, I've been actually using them from almost a month now. So without wasting much of your time, let's just get started. So first of all, I'll be starting with Amazon, and so I'll start from a very the product that you might see in a lot of vlogs and backgrounds, and you might even see a lot of people buying it and sharing reviews of it. So this is a pillow. This is a cushion cover. The pillow I have purchased. I already had the pillow actually, and I just purchased the cover. And the pattern is really very beautiful. It has this frills here, and it is actually built very neatly. And I would say that I've purchased two of these, and I do not know if you can see or not, but the colors I've received are different. So this one is a bit darker than this one, though they look almost the same in the camera, but one of it is in a darker shade. They costed me around 4.95 for one cushion covers. I'll be sharing all the links for you in the description box, so you can go and check it out. The quality was good, though they are not when I read the reviews at the time of making the purchase, I read the reviews that they're really soft, but to be very honest, I didn't find them like really very soft. But yes, they're appealing. You can keep it whenever you're having guests. If you're planning to have that corner in the house which with a lot of pillows, with a lot of fancy cushion covers, then maybe you can purchase it. It is not at all a bad deal in this money, and it is very much in these days and people are actually using it, and you can definitely give it a shot. And then next I'll move to a very unique product. Actually, these are for the these can be used with the empty wine bottle. I'll also put the picture here for you to see that how they will really look. These are actually these are the lid for the wine bottles with the attached LED bulbs. So what you can do is you can just put these LED lights into the bottle and cover it with this lid, and then it will give that effect. It has this button to on and off, so whenever you're having guests, or if you want to use it in your corner, or if you want to use it as a decor purpose, it is really good. And though the MRP is mentioned 2,000 rupees for both, but I've just got it like really cheap. I got it for around 200 for both. That is like around 100 each, irrespective of what the MRP is really mentioned. I do not know for how long these will last, because I have not used it. It's lockdown and I do not have wine bottles at my house currently, but I will definitely be using it and posting it on my Instagram for you guys. So if you have not followed me yet, please do that. And Yeah, so we'll move to our next product. So guys, as I was telling, that this video is not at all sponsored. I've purchased all these things with my own money and for my own use. So moving to our next product, uh, which is a very beautiful letter A. My letter A, obviously, you might have understood, it stands for my name. So it is my initials, and there is a slider in the back जिससे चलता है. Actually currently there are no batteries. It has here you can put the batteries, and 8 bulbs, LED bulbs, which are given in the front, and you can use it in your hall, in your, you know, onto your maybe your liquor cabinet, or whenever you feel like keeping it. You can also buy a few others. So there are actually a lot of options. Obviously all the alphabets are available, but there are also other options which you can buy and make your own combinations, and they will actually they have the same system where you can just light it up, and whenever you feel like, for the decor in the night, or like whenever you feel like, you can just light it up. It costed me like not much. It's given here 439, but what I'll be doing is I'll be mentioning the exact price here for you to check. And so moving to our next product, which is this very small and cute cactus plants which I have got. So this is the packaging, and you know, it came in this box, so very nicely packed. So whatever products I have received from Amazon, they were very nicely packed and none of them were damaged. Very good quality, and there's nothing, I mean, reviews and thoughts about any product can be different, but the packaging and everything was really good, and I didn't face any difficulty because it was lockdown. So I was also thinking that, you know, if I receive a product which is broken or something, then how am I going to exchange it? But nothing of that sort actually happened. These are just very cute and small cactuses that you can, I hope you can see. Yes, and you know, there are different variants around. So I have received a total of seven cactus. So these are very small plants. You can put it in on your office table, you can put it on your maybe windows, you can just put it. It will not even take much of a space. It will just beautify that area because they're very cute, very small, and very catchy actually. When this probably is my favorite thing in this haul. They costed me very cheap actually. They were around 350 rupees for all 7. So, and the packaging was also good. It can also be reused, you know. So overall it's a good quality and a good quantity in this price. So I'll move to my next product, which is this small very beautiful mirror tray. So I have actually purchased it to keep my candles, and you know, basically to use it in my background, to keep my candles and everything, because I do not want to keep my candles on this wooden thing. So I just will be keeping it here. And also it is very beautiful. Yeah, just look at it, it's so beautiful. You can use it in your own way. It is a bit expensive, so it costed me around 700, but I so liked it that I really made this purchase without giving it a thought. And yes, it also came in a very good condition. It was not at all packed very you know, irresponsibly, keeping in mind that it is mirror. So yeah, so it costed me around 700. I will also be putting the link in the description box for you to see. So moving on to our next product, which is nothing. We are done with Amazon, and I'm moving to Miniso because this Miniso is like too small. So I'm just going to be talking about 2 products which I really needed it for my house, and that's why I made this purchase. First is this Sui Dhage Ka Dabba. So you know, one fine day I was just about to leave for my house, and I was wearing a shirt, and you know, my button on my shirt just came out. And you know, then I realized that why my mother used to keep this in the house, and I used to just think, yeah, we have tailors, why do we have to keep this? Yes guys, for the situation like these, we have to keep it in our house. So that's why I made this purchase. Actually I purchased it long back from the Miniso. I'm going to also share the link with you. I know most of you will be having it in your house, and this is not something that is so unique, but I hope you can see. And it was also not that expensive. Actually it is just for 190 rupees. It has a very small scissor, it has needles, it has around 12 different color thread for you to use. So it, and next is these wipes I've got for why is it not coming up? These wipes, one is it has actually 30 sheets, and it is a multi-purpose wipes from Miniso, and it costed me around 100 rupees each, so it is very cheap. I wanted to give it a shot since I really like Miniso products, so I thought that I will just give it a shot and see if it will if it is at par with the other brands that are available in the market. I will be actually using it to wipe my face whenever I feel like, or my hands or whatever, like whenever I'm traveling and all. So I will be using it for a lot of purposes. And it says that it is paraben free, alcohol free and SLS free, and it is very skin friendly, and the pH is also maintained, and it is also dermatologically tested, so you can give it a try. It is very cheap. It is, I think, worth the try. 200 for these two, which is actually 60 sheets. And I think that's it for the Miniso haul. So I will be now moving to the home center because I could see a lot of very beautiful home center products. So first is my personal favorite, this plant I got, that I'll be putting it in my room, maybe in a vase, or I'll be just putting it beside my mirror, so that it gives me that beautiful good vibe whenever I am using my mirror, and it also looks very appealing. And you can also use it in your balcony, maybe in your kitchen, and you can use it you can hang it anywhere. It comes with this, and you can also put it in a in a vase and keep it on your dining table. You can use it. It is not very expensive actually. It is for 249 rupees, and it is super good quality, guys. So and it looks real, though it is not. And this is my first time purchasing something which is a leaf or a flower. To be very honest, I have never ever purchased anything like this in my life, and I am not so disappointed with the quality of these. I think these are my preferred options. So moving on to the next product, which is this very beautiful vase. So it is breakable, and I've got these I've got this bunch of tulips from Amazon. I forgot to mention it in the Amazon section because it was just kept in this, and I didn't want to take it out because I fixed it with so much of mehnat. I didn't want to invest that much time again putting it back, because I had folded. It comes with these extra leaves that I folded and put it inside. So this is how it is. This tulips are from Four Walls Amazon. I will be giving you the links. They have very beautiful flowers that you can put it in your current vase, or you can also purchase a vase. Yeah, they look really beautiful. You can put it anywhere. You can put it on your dressing table. You can put it in that corner of your house to make it more beautiful. And I want to have anything and everything white in my surroundings. So yeah, this is a lovely product. It is also very cheap. It is around 650 rupees, I think, this vase, and it is pretty tall. So you can see it is pretty tall. You can put it with some tall flowers, maybe cherry blossom, or whatever is available. I have purchased these frames from Home Center again, and I've purchased 3. So they came in a pack of 3, and they costed me around they costed me around 800 to 900 for all 3, and I'm going to mention the exact pricing here for you to check, and I will also share the link with you. So it came, so these so 2 of them are 5x7 size, and one of it is a bit big, so you can maybe use all 3 together, or you can just use it separately, maybe put one of it somewhere and two of them somewhere else. That's how actually I've put two of these in my bedroom and the next one somewhere else. So you can also just try with whatever suits you. And they're good quality, they're not cheap. If you are looking for something that suits your pocket and fills the purpose, then you can make a purchase. It is actually wooden sort of, it gives you that wooden feel, though I think it will not be wooden, or maybe it is engineering wood. I'm not so sure about it. And but yeah, it doesn't look low quality, it looks decent. And it comes with this, so you can even put it just on your side table with a photo. And yeah, and you can also hang it, so it's a multi-purpose thing. So I've kept it on my side table because it doesn't have any picture, because these came during the lockdown and I could not go to the market and get the prints to put it here. I will be doing it soon and you will be seeing it on my Instagram. So let me know if you like any of these products, and if you're interested, and if you purchase anything from the link that I've shared, and maybe this video helped you in buying these products. So yeah, that's it from my end, and I'm looking forward to more and more comments, and tell me whatever you want to see the next. I just hope that you people find my content relevant and you enjoy watching it. If you have any feedback, please share it with me, and I will definitely look into it, and I will definitely apply it and append it in my videos the next time. So till then, take care, and please stay positive. This is the time to stay positive and take care of yourself. So bye.